Unleash your inner adventure with the DEEPOWER Fat Tire electric bicycle. Designed for those who crave excitement and exploration, this e-bike is your perfect companion for every journey. At the heart of the DEEPOWER lies a powerful 2000W motor, delivering an impressive 76 Nm torque and reaching top speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Paired with a robust 48V 20AH removable battery, you'll enjoy a range of 45 to 65 miles on a single charge, with just 6 to 7 hours needed to power up. Whether you're cruising city streets, tackling snowy paths, or exploring sandy beaches, the 20" by 4" fat tires provide unmatched traction and stability. These all-terrain tires ensure a smooth and safe ride, no matter where your adventures take you. Comfort and safety are paramount with DEEPOWER. The lockable shock forks and hydraulic shock absorbers offer superior cushioning, while the precision oil brakes ensure instant and reliable stopping power, even in wet conditions. Customize your ride with 3 versatile modes: pure electric, pedal assist, and pedal only. The intuitive LCD display keeps you informed of your speed, battery level, distance traveled, and any faults, ensuring you're always in control. Safety doesn't stop when the sun goes down. The bright LED headlight and rear reflectors allow you to ride confidently at night, making every journey as safe as it is thrilling. Embrace the freedom of adventure with the DEEPOWER Fat Tire electric bicycle. Power, performance, and versatility, all in one incredible ride. Ready to conquer any terrain and every journey.